Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. I'm going to show you to cook French fry cabbage with chicken frankfurter inside of it. So guys, I have a head of cabbage right here. I have a bell pepper, tomato, 1 stalk of scallion, onion, pepper, 3 frankfurter, chicken frankfurter, butter. I'm not going to use all of these. I'm going to use a small piece of butter for that. I'm going to use some chicken seasoning inside of it because it's a chicken frankfurter. Some garlic, all-purpose season, cayenne pepper, and a small amount of black pepper I'm going to use inside of it. So guys, it's time to show you how to prepare the cabbage to French fries. So guys, we're going to remove here. So guys, we're not going to slice. You know, when we're making vegetable, we slice it very thin. No, we're going to French fry, so we're going to slice. How about we slice it like this, guys? I'm not going to shred it, we're going to put it in our junk like. See here guys. We're going to cut again. Chunk it. So this is the way it looks, guys, French fries. Remember guys, to wash your cabbage. So guys, this is the way it look. When you're finished, cut it up to French fries. So I'm going to take it from here and put it into my basket to wash it. See it here guys. So guys, you're going to slice up your frankfurter, and this is the way it's going to look to go inside of it. So guys, I'm going to show you how I cut it to get it to look like that. See that come. Just see it here guys, this is the way it look when it finished cut up. So guys, it's time for me to clean up the onion. So guys, we're not going to start cut it yet because it don't wash. So guys, I'm just showing you how I clean it up. So guys, I already clean it up and wash it. So you see guys, so the water running out of it. Just wash it guys. So it's time for me to show you guys how to cut it up. Fold it like this. time to pour the oil into the pot. Guys, it's time to remove it. All of your seasoning and putting the garlic inside of it. Sometimes guys, when the ear catch the garlic, it's kind of hard to slice it. After open it, put in the garlic inside of it. And the garlic is kind of hard. Small amount of black pepper, a pinch. The garlic here, guys, kind of hard up and time the ear to keep it good. So guys, it's time for it to cook. The French fry cabbage, so we're not going to close it. I don't know if all of it can hold inside of it, but yes, it can hold it. Piece of butter. Small amount of salt. Guys, look at the color of French fry cabbage. Here we go, guys. French fry cabbage. Delicious, guys. Right, this is very nice. I know, guys, if you try it, you're going to enjoy it. So guys, you can put some vinegar on it. I'm going to put a small amount of lemon juice on it, guys. pan, guys, to remove the flame. Open my pan right there.